Alright, let me copy this into Sublime. That makes that so much easier. Just everything that said feature is now bug. Um, and otherwise, it's good. Then I just have to actually create a bug file, and this should just work exactly like. And we're gonna change request. Anything that says request.
Yeah, I think it makes much
report.
easier for you to sort it up. What is a bug? Where you have just maybe little fixing thingies, and where are the new big features requested?
That worked better than expected because I've got some places that said features or said requests and some said requested. That worked perfectly. Now I've got reported and reports. Looks fine. Okay, that's good. Let's grab that back. Oh, crap. Okay, it used to let me close this without forcing me to save stuff. Like it retained the data. That's annoying. Okay. So I go over here and create. It's in the variable file. Lero Jiro, welcome. Also, Popcorn, I didn't see you there. Welcome. How are you guys? Now with that, somebody's come in here. I can't save this now because this kind of messes with this file. So what I want to do is I'll just copy these new lines and we'll put them back in. Wait a minute. Oops. See, there's a problem.
Where did you change?
I did the wrong one. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay.
I already saw that. This should be bug reports.
Oh, Oh wow. Overstimulated made 18 hours in Darkest Dungeon in 2 days or so.
Wow. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. He told me you gave him that. That's pretty cool, dude. I think I'll
Yeah,
probably end up picking it up. It looks good. Unfortunately, I guess I missed the sale. It said I get it was more than 10% off before, right?
it was 17% off before.
Okay, not a huge difference, so that's fine.
And I had one of my weak moments.
Yeah, you're like yeah, yeah. No, it looks good. You know, I'd seen a couple people playing it, but I'd never really sat down and watched it. Every time I looked at it, it's like, I'd see it at the wrong moment. You don't see, you know, I didn't see how much depth there is to it. I just kind of glanced at it, I was like, saw the graphics, I was like, meh. Yeah, but, you know, graphics aren't everything in a game. If it's got a good depth, then that's all that matters. Um, so, now here's the thing. I guess I might still be able to save this. We've got nobody in the... Nobody's called it anything. Thank you for the follow, Yospani, and welcome to the Scarlet Brigade. Yeah, we can just go ahead and save it. Hopefully that doesn't break anything. Never know.
I updated the test form I use. Now I have to check what the update was about.
Oh, your form, okay.
Yeah, my local installation of the form.
Okay, let's try a bug. Wow, testing the bug report and instantly calls greetings to new people. No, welcome to Syntiax and Kutchers. How are you? Good to see one new face and one return. Hey, let's see if it created the file. Like, we didn't actually create a file. We created the placeholder for the file. Bug reports exist. Testing bug reports reported by Scarlet Rever at this time, June 14th, 13:34, 35. Yeah, that's good. That's right. Has not been updated, so I should still be able to update it and complete it. So let's check that. Nope, that didn't do anything. Oh, well, you know, it helps if I give it a number. I didn't give it the ID. There we go. Alright, updated.
Yeah, I have the same problem that you had before. I know what I had to do, but I don't want to do it because it's big, complex, and much work.
Yep. Well, I don't have the time for it today. I'm like, I don't want to spend a lot of time on here, but we've got a lot of little requests that have been building up since I haven't done any Scarbot coding in almost a month. So it's like, let's get that taken care of. So now, bug report, bugs fixed exists. We still have the report count. That way, the next bug created will fall in line on that number. But this number's here, so yeah, should be good. I suppose a thorough testing would be to create a second bug to make sure it gets a new ID.
Okay, now find my code where I wrote it.
Okay, I opened it too quick before Scarpot actually created it. I'm like, bam, bam. So yeah, no, we got that. So that's good. Bug request done. Let's actually go on ahead and all that, then open up a new instance of the feature request so it takes care of the ones that we've already closed. Now we can say, where's your bug report?
Question I ask myself, is there a limit of the length of a string in PHP?
String limit on PHP? I don't think so. I think, well, it depends. Okay. I think strings are fine. It's like if you're putting it in a database, then depending on what field type you give it,
Yeah,
there's a limit. But otherwise, I think you're fine.
I cache the follower list on the database.
Oh.
But to keep it up to date, I just delete it and refill it with the API data. So I do not have to check if it's a follower, it was a follower and isn't a follower anymore.
Mm-hmm.
So it's much easier for the program to handle.
Sure.
But I delete the database first and then I call the API. And so you have a time if you call the forum when the page is empty or has no information and throws errors.
Hmm.
And
yeah, no, I've gotten that.
Want to save the whole SQL string, I need to insert the new follower list as a string.
Yeah.
And then just call after I got the API.
You could instead check for that error, like when you get the error, then don't actually update the SQL. That's what might be the better way, so that you're not just erasing everything when you get the error, and then when it doesn't get the error, then you get the complete list.
You get the error if you try to have a look at the page while this process is ongoing.
Okay.
So I try to combine the deletion, empty the database, and on the next statement insert the whole table with one SQL statement.
Okay, that's what you're trying to do. That should be doable, but if not, then you may have to break it up into chunks.
Yeah, that's what I am for now. I broke it up in chunks, and every page it reads from your follower list. It inserts.
Yeah. Yeah, do it as an individual page. That should be fine. But sometimes, I mean, the code for one page is pretty extensive too.
Can I play with the noise paddock?
Just a second. Let me show. Do you guys?
I want to
Some of you guys,
play
anybody from the '90s? Do you remember GAC?
It's cute.
This is very much like GAC. It's called Noise Putty instead. But
Not-
her grandmother got her this, and man, like she got her all sorts of crap that's not making me happy. Themo the Joker, welcome. How are you, Olivia? You need to play with that in your room at your table, though. Okay?
That's how they do.
Can you play with it at your table? Don't get it on the floor. Here's the cap. Hey, come here.
I don't want the cat.
You want the cap so that you can put it on when you're done. Okay? Make sure you put the cap back on when you're done. You don't want to let that dry out.